Eh, I don't get it. Hey, welcome to another tutorial. Today, I'm gonna show you how to pimp out your BitView channel. If you, hold on, let me turn on BitView. Okay, come on, Superman, I have a good computer, come on, start up. Come on, you were just on this second ago, what the fuck happened now? Fucking piece of shit, fucking self-serve that fucking is a pile of shit, come on. And fucking fuck you. Open up. There you go, okay. There you go. Fucking stupid. Yes, I'm a human. For God's sake, how many times are you gonna ask me this fucking question? The same exact question. Like it's gonna change. Okay, so here we are. Here we are in on BitView. So I'm gonna teach you how to pimp out your BitView channel. As you can see, this is my BitView channel. Have you seen Shitcraft? Have you seen Shitcraft? Ignore that. I had something in my mouth. Have you? Have you seen Gamer Tip? That's pretty. I like that. I like this one. I like this one a lot. There's Find Bigfoot in that one. It's pretty good. Anyways, so here's my BitView channel, and you can see I have like a cool theme going. It's like black and like white and like red, right? But yeah, this looks pretty cool. But here the thing is, I didn't make this. This is one of the or no, wait, did I make this? No, or maybe I did make this. Now I think, okay, so this is this theme here called 8-bit, but I think I changed the text to be white because this is fucking unreadable. Fuck, did it just change? Did it just change to fucking gray? Yeah, what a great fucking text, gray on black. Yeah, that's fucking great. That's like fucking fucking yellow and orange or some shit. Okay, so examples of how you can customize, pimp out your BitView channel is, we'll look at how other people do it. Now, keep in mind, the larger channels on this platform, if they have like, if they're BitView partner, if they have like 75 percent more or 75 subscribers or more or some shit like that, then they can like basically like do fucking, they could do anything. They could like kill you and stuff, probably, maybe. But for everyone else, everyone in the shitter, like including me, I'll show you what you can still customize. But yeah, so here's like how speed paint guys chef looks. Yeah, he's the god painter guy, and he's like a very like fucking green. Here's like a Mercy. He like a Mercy bar or some shit. It's like a chocolate, right? Mercy bar, Marshy, whatever. Cut salt Kongsang, fucking shit, cocksuck. There you go, cocksuck. This is what he looks like. He's like a Bigfoot gay, and it has gay here written, and he's also gay written here. Here's a Basher. I think this guy's dead, or maybe okay, he was a month ago here. He has one of the lower the shit pit channels, but he still has like a cool transparent here, transparency, fucking stars everywhere. Here's the fucking video idiot fucking wizard, idiot fucking dumbass. Here's a liver muncher. What a nice person. And this is she also has like transparent stuff, and she also has like gay in the background. Here's cool. He also has transparent stuff. He has like a fucking car in the background or some shit. So you can customize it however you like, however you wanna pimp out your channel. You can do it, and we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna do it right now. Oh fuck! I'm sorry about that. So one of the things you have to keep in mind is how you wanna, how you want it to look, right? Okay, so you can do like channel fonts. I like this font. Whatever, I'm gonna keep it. You can do background colors. Now, actually, we don't need that since we're gonna be changing it. We're gonna be making our own background. So then we have a wrapper wrapper color. I don't know why colors spelled like that. Fucking, was it spelled like that? Who fucking spells color like that? What a fucking idiot! It's a fucking misspelling on Bitview. Fucking idiots. And what the wrapper does? Oh, okay. So this is the wrapper. So that's, we can change that color to whatever color we want of the the color bed. Oh, that would fuck, that cool, that looks cool. That black, look at that, full black, no bars. Not actually like my bars. Fuck. Yeah, I like that. Or actually, wait, let's do it. Yeah, let's change it up. Fuck, I don't want to change that. Whatever, white or no. Okay. Do black, and then we'll make a reverse of that, and I think that's background color. That kind of looks like fucking shit, or maybe not. I mean, maybe hold up, maybe we'll do something like this. No, it looks like fucking shit, and piss. This is the worst part about this, right? You cannot decide. Because everything looks cool, right? Everything looks cool, and you can't like really decide which one you want to actually use. Oh fuck.
Shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me? Shut up and sleep with me, come on, and sleep with me. Shut up and sleep with me, come on, why don't you sleep with me? Shut up.